Understanding email types. Once you've started growing your email list, there are many different types of emails you can send to your customers and subscribers on your email list. It's important to understand the various types of email and how they work, so you can choose the right one for your email marketing campaign. Promotional emails. You can send emails for special offers or discounts to entice subscribers and customers to purchase your products or services. A good example of a promotional email comes from Grammarly. This one was sent out during Cyber Monday and offered a 50% off membership. Loyalty program emails. Email marketing allows you to set up loyalty programs for your dedicated customers. A good example of a loyalty program email comes from Chipotle. In this email, they reward parents for bringing kids into Chipotle and buying a kids' meal. Seasonal messages. You can create unique seasonal messages to send to your subscribers to keep your brand at the top of their minds. A good example of a seasonal email comes from Design Moto. In this email, they offer a summer flash sale for their suite of tools. Transactional emails. Email makes it easy to send transactional emails such as appointment notifications, e-commerce receipts, and more. A good example of a transactional email comes from Stocksy. In this email, they're simply confirming a user email account, but the visual is stunning. Drip campaigns. Drip emails are automated messages that you can send subscribers on a specific schedule after they take a certain action. You can use this type of email in your business to communicate with your subscribers in an effective, efficient, and consistent way. A good example of a drip email comes from Asana. In this email, they're simply confirming a user email account. Some ways you can use drip campaigns include sending welcome emails, cart abandonment emails, product suggestion emails, thank you emails, or informational emails. Dedicated send. This type of email can be sent to a specific group of people. For instance, if you were hosting a training webinar for one of your products, you might send an event update email targeting only the group of people who registered for the webinar. Product update email. Although subscribers generally don't like to receive these types of emails too often, they can be helpful for keeping your customers informed about things like changes in features of a particular product that they purchased. If you feel you're ready to start running effective email programs to build and segment high-quality lists, design high-converting email templates, continuously test and optimize your campaigns, I've got good news for you. You can do all of this inside of one single tool, and it's completely free, no credit card required. If any of that sounds interesting to you, just sign up for a free trial of GetResponse and start making some real results.